How to top up ShopeePay using GCash. Open the Shopee app. Tap on the Me tab at the bottom right corner. Select ShopeePay to enter your ShopeePay wallet. Tap on the Cash In button. Under Cash In, choose InstaPay. From the list of options, select GCash. After selecting GCash, tap Confirm. Follow the GCash instructions. Log into GCash. Launch the GCash app on your device. Tap on the transfer icon. Select Local. Scroll down and click View All. Type ShopeePay in the search bar and select it. Fill up the details needed and enter the recipient's ShopeePay registered phone number as the account number. Tap Send Money. Note that there is 15 pesos fee. Check the box to confirm that all details are correct and tap Pay. The GCash will send you an SMS for your authentication code or OTP. Input the 6-digit authentication code and tap Submit. Verify the transfer into the Shopee app. Check it in the ShopeePay wallet. That's it. Hope it helps.